Hi, and welcome back to Stop Being Sold. My name is Michelle, and I'm here with Brian. And in today's video, we're discussing the average 401k balance by age group and why this information matters to you.
Yeah, Michelle, everyone seems to talk about the average balance, but no one speaks about the median balance. And that's a shame because you're trying to compete with people that could make 3 times the amount of your income, and you're trying to compare your 401k balance to them, and it kind of doesn't make sense. So,
all right. Well, quick question before we go further. Would you explain the difference between the average and median? Let's give the textbook definition.
Sure. Okay, let's take average. Everyone knows the average is taking your calculated, adding up all the values, divided by the number of people, right? And that comes up with your average balance. But the median, Michelle, can be calculated by listing all the numbers in an ascending order and then locate the number in the center of that distribution list. Big difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah.
Right.
But back to the median balances, let's use a quick example. Let's take someone that's 30 years old, making $25,000 a year, and you're trying to compare them with somebody that makes $100,000 a year. Average is going to be in the middle, right? But if they're putting in the same 3%, that median balance is going to be substantially lower. So.
Right. Okay. All right. So real quick, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Help us grow the channel. Share this video. Leave a comment, and also please don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video from us. All right, so Brian, let's dive into the difference between, let's talk about the average balances and also the median balances for 401ks right now.
Okay, first of all, this information comes from the 2021 Vanguard How America Saves survey, and we're going to drop the link to that study down below the video, okay? And let's look at these balances. Balance 401k balance for those under the age of 25. The average balance was $6,718, but the median balance was $2,240. Big difference.
Big difference, right?
Okay. And then 25 to 34-year-olds, $33,272 average balance versus $13,265 median balance.
Okay.
And as we go up in the age, you're going to see these numbers separate even further.
Right. Yeah. Get wider. Yeah. The wider.
So 35 to 44-year-olds, 86,582 was the average. 32,664 was the median. Then my age group, 401k balances between 45 and 54, $161,079 average balance versus $56,722 median balance.
That's the gap. You got 161 average versus 56 median. Yeah.
Big difference. And 55 to 64-year-olds, $232,379 average balance versus $84,714.
Yeah.
Three times the amount.
Huge.
And then over the age of 65, Michelle, $255,151 average balance versus $82,297 median balance.
Yeah.
So where do you stand? Are you saving enough? We definitely want you to leave comments below and let us know. But think about this. One thing I got to say on this subject here is, look, every dollar you put in your 401k, this is yours. Okay. Yeah. Over my 24 years in the business, 24 years this month.
Congratulations.
Thanks. My clients that have come to me over the years, I will say one common thing that I've heard was, we've got this little 401k over here. It's not much compared to what you're probably used to.
Sure.
And I'm thinking, no, my average, I haven't even looked at their statements yet, but it's like my average in 24 years, my average client has $86,000 balance in their assets at retirement. That's average.
Right.
And to me, that's median. It's average for them, but that's median. If I actually look at that, and they felt that coming to a financial advisor that you'd need $500,000 because that's what it's preached all the time. No one wants to work with anybody under $500,000. Well, I tell you what, there's a lot more people under $250,000 than there is over $250,000. So this is your money. don't let someone shame you for what you have today. So,
Well, yeah, and that's the thing, the average, I mean, I've seen it used, here at Stop Being Sold, we don't sell through fear. We
Right.
don't do that. We don't hype anything up. We're just like having a conversation about the facts and discussing, why it's important. And I think that like you do see a lot with the average, and it is like, it's kind of like, well, if you're not here, then shame on you.
yeah. And you feel that you have to stop.
Yeah.
It's like, why bother,
Absolutely. Well, that's the key. Why bother? And you stop in it. It's really important to bother because again, this is 401ks can be not for everybody, but they are for a lot of people, the largest asset they'll have going into retirement. So, especially if you're getting the company match,
Right.
free money. So keep going and, obviously just the data. It's all how you look at the data and the questions you're asking. Yeah. All right. Awesome. So if you liked the content of this video, hit that like button, and so don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video from us. And thank you so much for doing this, Brian, today.
You're welcome.
And thanks to everybody who watched to the end. Until next time, have a good one.
Everyone. Have a great day.